Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and you all are welcome to yet another vlog and thank you for showing so much support. So today's topic will be ki how to increase your income in your clinic or in this COVID situation the time has come in which patients are also coming very less and day by day we feel ki okay now patients will come, now patients come, either they can come in more numbers or either they can come in less numbers. So there are two different aspects. पहला चीज तो ये है कि whenever the patient comes to our clinic, whether it is a middle class family or from a richer family or from a lower income group, the first thing, that area, that also depends, like where have you put up your clinic. So in a clinic where the population is very highly dense population and you will get all sorts of patients in your clinic, like you will get from the poor class, higher class. So you cannot change the prices of your treatment plan by just seeing the patient, right? You have to be fixed upon something. That is the main thing. Many dentists make mistakes, like suppose they see a very rich person and sometimes what happens, we say little bit 500-600 extra to this patient, okay utna chalega, lekin if you double the charges then that will be bad, because that patient will tell another patient ki root canal ka itna liya tha, to the other patient may tell okay mere se to itna le liya. So this thing is always there. So always stick to one rate and don't make fluctuations in your rate, whether it is low or whether it is high. If you are taking 4,000 or 5,000 for root canal, stick to it. If somebody says okay you decrease the price, then you can give 100 or 200, whatever is your discount level. So I never promote discounts, but little bit you can reduce. If the bill is much, then you can give around 200 to 300 concession on any charges. Second thing we don't do, many people we don't do, is we don't tell the treatment options to the patient. हमको हर चीज का ट्रीटमेंट ऑप्शन बताना चाहिए. We have to tell the patient about extraction, we have to tell the patient about RCT and also implant, whether he's a poor guy or a richer guy. You never know what kind of person he is, what amount of background he is having. So whenever the patient comes, we need to tell all the treatment options. It is upon the patient's choice that what treatment he takes. मैं एक एग्जांपल बताता हूँ सीधी से. अगर आपके घर में किसी की शादी हो रही है, ठीक है, somebody is getting married and you go for साड़ी shopping, तो he will show you everything, right? साड़ी from 500 to लेके 25,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakhs तक. तो आपको क्या खराब लगता है क्या? What we think is, if you tell the patient that implant is 18-20,000, he'll feel bad. ऐसा हो सकता है, मतलब इतना ज्यादा बोल रही है, पर ये एक्चुअल रेट उतना ही है इस चीज का, राइट? सो there is no hesitation in telling the price of the treatment plan. He is not willing to do it, then don't go for extraction. But you need to tell everything. You need to tell whatever materials you are having. Third thing, which I personally feel ki whatever, always keep on upgrading little bit things in your clinic. Suppose you don't have a RVG, plan for a RVG. अभी काफी companies installment में देती है. So whenever the patient comes and they see okay you are having a RVG setup, you good setup, you are having good instruments, even if you say a little bit higher price, patient will be like, they'll ready to give the price, because they say okay this clinic is good, he's having all the equipments. Suppose you're doing RCT with hand, upgrade to endomotor. If you don't have apex locator, invest in apex locator. See, I too have to buy many things. I need to buy a laser, I need to buy one more RVG from my other clinic, I need to buy cautery systems. So ऐसे बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो मुझे भी लेनी है, और हमेशा ऐसा नहीं कि मैं एक बार में ही सब खरीद ले रहा हूँ. धीरे धीरे अभी मैंने एक आरवीजी खरीदा, दूसरे क्लिनिक के लिए आरवीजी अगले 6-7 महीने में आई विल ट्राई टू बाय. सो ऑलवेज कीप ऑन अपग्रेडिंग द थिंग्स इन योर क्लिनिक. सो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू इंक्रीज योर इनकम. अब आप सोच रहे हो कि अपग्रेड करने से तो खर्चा होता है. देखिए, जितना इन्वेस्ट करेंगे उतना रिटर्न आएगा. अगर आप अच्छी चीजों में इन्वेस्ट करेंगे तो आपको आप जो बोलते हैं पेशेंट को कि इस चीज का इतना पैसा लगेगा, तो उसमें भी एक कॉन्फिडेंस झलकेगा और पेशेंट भी कॉन्फिडेंस पाएगा कि आप एक बेटर ट्रीटमेंट उसको दे सकते हैं. सो दिस वे यू कैन इजिली इंक्रीज द इनकम in your clinic. These are the 3 simple steps. First of all is telling whatever you are telling in should not fluctuate much your charges. Plus you should increase your whatever instruments you are having, you should upgrade it. Then whatever filling instruments, everything you should upgrade nicely. You should buy good quality materials. अगर cheap quality materials यूज करोगे तो क्या होता है, अगर आप अपने सस्ती वाली फिलिंग दे दी, then what happens is आप फिलिंग मटेरियल यूज करते हो, उसके बाद क्या होता है कि हमारे जो फिलिंग है जल्दी निकल जाती है, तो उससे क्या एक बैड नेम फैलता है. तो ऑलवेज यूज गुड क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट्स. तो ये टॉप तीन कारण थे इनकम बढ़ाने के. और ऑलवेज बी हम्बल विद द पेशेंट. ये एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है जो हम लोग कभी कभी गुस्सा हो जाते हैं, तो हमें नहीं होना चाहिए. अच्छे से बात करनी चाहिए पेशेंट से. तो ये मेरे 4 जो टिप्स थे, अगर आप यूज करेंगे, देखिए आपको क्लिनिक में जरूर 1 साल 2 साल में इंप्रूवमेंट आएगी. 101% आएगी. ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता. एंड कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस, काफी लोगों को मुझे मैसेजेस आए न्यू क्लिनिक के ओपनिंग के लिए, तो मैंने इंस्टाग्राम में अपलोड किया, आप जाके देख सकते हैं. और अगर आपने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, प्लीज डू सब्सक्राइब टू दिस चैनल एंड यू कैन ज्वाइन ऑल्सो एज अ मेंबर. उसके बेसिक पर्क्स भी हैं. और टिल देन आज यहीं रखते हैं. हैव अ वेरी गुड डे. टेक केयर.